So are you like sharing or something?
Yeah, I'm sharing now. Can see my screen now.
Yes, sir, I can see your screen.
Okay, now let's understand this part. So the basics of integration. Okay, integration sign is simple.
Okay.
So this is the this is the integration sign. Okay. Integration, remember that integration is, suppose here we need to put as let's say I get x dx. Okay,
Okay.
so x, you need to, meaning here is you are integrating x with respect to dx.
Like, okay, so like what is integration used for?
Integration is basically used for summation of all the areas where you cannot find using the normal method of calculation. You can find the area of rectangle, you can find area of square, you can find the area of cuboid.
Oh yeah, like
But if I give you the area something like this, if the curve I give you like this, and there is the, let's say, if I give you the curve something like this, okay, then how will you find the area of this curve? Let's say
so even that rectangle with like shaved sides, like,
yeah, but rectangle, you have fixed area, fixed formulas, no? If I want you to form the area like this, area of this, so will you be able to find the area there? You don't have any formula.
Yeah, I don't.
You don't have any formula to find the area of this
region.
Just
use a so
that's why we use the integration method.
Sir, I have an idea.
Yeah.
We have a square, then we can square is 4 sides.
Correct.
Pentagon is 5 sides. Like if you keep going infinitely until like infinite sides, like you can maybe able to form curves and find out part of the curves.
Correct.
So
but how will you make the pentagon, hexagon here? Because this is a curve, like this curve is going like this.
We can use circles.
How will you do the circles?
Oh, okay.
Try. You see, your goal is clear now. You need to find the area here.
Okay.
You need to find the area of this part. So how will you find the area of this part?
Okay, got it.
I want the area of this region. Oh, sorry. Correct.
How do you find the
area of this region? So basically, if you know the equation of the curve, then we can just integrate from the point where on the x-axis, if this is, let's say, 2 and this part is 10.
Okay.
So and the x-axis, if the integration, this curve, if you know that curve is basically y is equal to, let's say, 3x square plus 3x, this is equation of 3x square minus 2x. This is the equation of the curve.
Okay.
Then we can just integrate this. Basically what integration means, you are taking the small strip as the infinitesimal small strip, we are taking it and then calculating, making a rectangle such that the small distance is equivalent to the length and breadth.
Oh, is it like instantaneous velocity, like take a tiny point?
Tiny points. We're just taking the tiny rectangles, at one point, point by point rectangles you will take. So you won't be able to see that one. So because there's as good as the thickness tends to 0.
Okay, got it.
So that's why you will take that, and then you will do the summation of all the rectangles and forms that is nothing but the integration.
Okay, got it, sir.
So the formula is, remember that x dx, wherever the formula, whenever the power x is there in dx when you are integrating, the formula is, so you remember this form, this is the only formula will be useful for you. Okay. If it is x power n, let's say x power n, the formula is n plus 1 the whole divided by n plus 1, which is the opposite of your differentiation. Okay. This is the formula you have to use. X power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Example, if I have to integrate, let's say it's x square.
Okay.
If it is x square dx, okay. So what will be the answer? X power
3.
Correct.
By n plus 1, 3 by 3.
Excellent. Did you understand now?
Okay, yeah, I got it.
This is the formula, you always remember that.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if it is, look at this part, and it has to be the same variable, okay? If it is x square. So now one more thing you need to remember is, if I do the integration here, and I have, let's say, x, and I have dt here.
Okay.
So is there anything dt, t variable is present here?
No, it's not that. It's not that.
So then this x will be treated as constant.
Oh, okay.
You can't differentiate it. This will be treated as constant. Okay. Now
Okay.
nothing in terms of t. So what will be? So you can just take so you can just write it here separately like this. X, let's say we put it here x, and no t is there, so we can put as t power 0. Is it okay?
Yeah.
T power 0 is anyway
1.
only dt. But now you can apply the formula.
Okay,
So it become x. The formula is t power now
T
0 plus 1
by 1 t to the power 1 by, it's just xt, that's all.
Yeah, correct. Xt, excellent. Did you understand now?
Yeah, got it.
Answer is xt. Did clear?
Okay. So like if we, like this question, right, like
Yeah.
they're giving this question, obtain equations of motion using method of
Correct.
calculus. So how do I like know how to use this formula like when?
Yeah, we'll understand these formulas. But right now this part is clear. That is based on the question. That is just a formula derivation right now. But you understood
Okay.
the basics of integration, this part?
Yep, I understood this part.
The symbol is, weird symbol is clear to you now.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Okay, weird symbol is nothing but the sign of integration. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
perfect.